Right, let's get our things together. We've got our motor mount tube, our 2 centering rings, and we need some wood glue. And here we are. Some wood glue. Right. First thing is, check the fit of these rings. Make sure they go on easily without being loose. Check the other side. Ah, very good. Right, let's add some glue. Right, take one of the centering rings, slide it on, swipe off the excess, then you can use your work surface just to check that it is flush. Just wipe the glue, distribute it a little bit. That. The extra glue, don't worry about it. Same on the other side. Right. Work surface again. Get it nice and flush. Just distribute that bead of glue. We use white glue because it is non-toxic, and when it dries, it's easy to remove from our hands. There we go. Right, and that concludes the assembly of the motor mount tube.